Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Fluent English Academy. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for learning English with me. In today's lesson, we will learn a very important grammar topic. Today's topic is subject pronouns. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can find many grammar lessons and basic English videos in the earlier lessons on this channel. Please feel free to watch them anytime. Before we start the lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow. Now let us begin the lesson slowly and clearly. First, let us understand what subject pronouns are. Subject pronouns are words that replace the subject in a sentence. The subject is the person or thing that does the action. In English, subject pronouns are used in almost every sentence. The subject pronouns in English are the following: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These words help us avoid repeating names and nouns. Now let us look at a simple example. John is a student. John studies English every day. Now we replace the name John with a subject pronoun. He is a student. He studies English every day. In these sentences, the word he is the subject pronoun. He does the action. Now let us talk about sentence structure. The basic sentence structure with subject pronouns is very simple. Subject pronoun comes first. Then the verb comes next. Then the rest of the sentence comes last. Now let us see examples. I learn English every day. You speak very clearly. He works in an office. She lives in this city. It looks interesting. We study together. They enjoy learning English. Please pause here. Repeat these sentences out loud. Now let us look at each subject pronoun with clear examples. I is used when you talk about yourself. I am learning English. I like this lesson. You is used when you talk to one person or many people. You are doing great. You understand the lesson. He is used for a male person. He is my friend. He works very hard. She is used for a female person. She is a teacher. She speaks English very well. It is used for things, animals, or ideas. It is raining today. It is very useful. The dog is friendly. It is very cute. We is used for yourself and other people together. We are learning English together. We practice every day. They is used for more than one person or thing. They are students. They live near here. Now let us practice more real-life sentences. I want to improve my English. You can learn English with practice. He wants to travel to another country. She enjoys watching English videos. It takes time to learn a language. We help each other. They are excited about learning English. If this lesson is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Now let us compare subject nouns and subject pronouns. My brother works here. He works here. The students are ready. They are ready. This book is interesting. It is interesting. Using subject pronouns makes English sound natural and smooth. Now let us look at longer sentences. I started learning English because I want a better future. She practices every day and she is improving. They joined this channel and they enjoy the lessons. We believe in ourselves and we keep learning. He made a mistake, but he learned from it. Please pause again. Repeat these sentences slowly. If you are new to this channel, remember you can watch earlier grammar lessons. Those lessons will help you build a strong foundation. Now let us review today's lesson. Subject pronouns replace the subject of a sentence. Subject pronouns do the action. Subject pronouns come before the verb. Subject pronouns are very important in English. You are doing a great job. Learning English takes time and practice. Before we finish, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot. Thank you for learning English with me today. Keep practicing and stay confident. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.